Marry me, magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video for the month of April. I'm so excited to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box. Without further ado, guys, let's open this up. I'm just so excited. And be sure to check out the Witch's Moon. They're going to be linked down below. And if you hear any crackling in the background, guys, I got my cauldron burning some good old cleansing incense that I created. So let's see. What is the theme for this month? I'm so happy. It looks like we got a tarot card reading for the month. And isn't the packaging so cute? They have this like elastic string on here that's holding the tarot card for the month. As well as, oh my god. This is so funny. Oh my god, the tarot card and the animal I got is so funny with what's going on with me and my family. Just like, ooh, I'm not trying to be private, guys, but like, oh my god, that's just so funny. I'm gonna have to show my family that. That is hilarious. But let's see what the theme for this month is, guys. It says, deep within the woods. Oh, that's so cool. I live in the mountains and the forest, so how cool. It says, as we all walk along our magical paths, we can easily be burdened and distracted by what is happening everywhere around us, convincing ourselves that it must be more important than what lies before us. Although we are surrounded by important components of life, it is not until we walk deep into the woods or away from confusion and clutter, conceived with purpose and practice. It is within this state that we are perceptive to hearing from our guides and guardians. In this very extremely exclusive collection, we work with aspects of the deep woods that can bring us comfort, guidance, and grounding. Join us in April as we work with ancient guides and call upon the inspiration, a witch's companion. The magical items in this box are as follows. Super exciting, and I couldn't agree more, guys. I swear sometimes life is crazy with work, it's chaotic and everything, and you just need to go out in nature, whether it's the lake for me, going into the forest. Sorry, I need a little sip of drink. It just is so refreshing and rejuvenates you and all of those things. Hi, Maleficent. My cat wants to come up. It looks like we got, I call upon the sacred trees that surround and guide me, inspire me, reveal, so mote it be. Beautiful Book of Shadows artwork with that little invocation, little spell. Oh my god, guys, everything looks so cool in here. This is so beautiful. A magical tree companion Book of Shadows artwork. So it has like all the bark and the leaves of each of these trees. Oh, I'm so happy. So I can learn more. I know cypress and pine and ginkgo. So, ooh, I'm so excited to learn more about these herbs and my magic and practice. That is super exciting, guys, and I'm freaking out because of what I'm seeing in here. I'm seeing more things. It looks like we have some Moroccan clay. Ooh, that's so cool. And we have some astrolongulus, something like that. It's root, so I have root of that tree or that plant. That's so beautiful. I have the wooden sanctuary bath salts. Ooh, this is just great, guys. I'm gonna have a me day tomorrow and just have a nice relaxing day. I feel like my life's just been a little busy and I haven't had a moment to just actually recharge and relax, guys. So I can't wait to do that tomorrow. And I'm gonna add some more incense. I think my little burner needs some more incense. So let's unearth some more stuff in here, guys. Everything is packaged so good. Do you guys see that? Like nothing is gonna break on us. It also looks like I have some chia seed. And oh yeah, baby. What is this? We have 2 things in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, and I've gotta read us what the Moroccan clay is, guys. I'll definitely have the end of the video. At the end of the video, guys, I'll have the close-up of what everything is. So if you guys want to read it, you can too. Oh my god, not me almost dropping this. This is so pretty. This is so magical, guys, this stone. Like, ooh, it's so beautiful. I don't have this crystal in my collection either. It says it's a rough fuchsite stone. Fuchsite is a green, chrome-bearing form of the originator, muscovite. This wonderful stone brings attention to the task at hand and can truly bring our focus to what is most important, that which stands before us. In addition to facilitating focus and concentration, fuchsite provides us with the ability to relax any tension that we may be holding on to. This can be emotional and physical trauma that we may have thought was gone from years prior. As you work with fuchsite, Allow yourself to relax, release, and truly engage with the magical practices. That is so cool, guys. I am so happy with this crystal. I honestly feel its calming energies, and it's just so beautiful. And I know by heart, guys, you're supposed to cleanse your crystals before you get them, and whenever I get them from the Witch's Moon, like, I swear they bless them and do everything that they're supposed to with them, because the energy's always good. I've never gotten a bad crystal from the Witch's Moon. All the good vibes from them, and I'm wearing the pendant from this month's Witch's Moon, or the Witch's Bounty Box subscription for this month. I'm wearing their Bounty pendant for the month. It's a lapis lazuli. I just love their items, guys. They're so cool. And it looks like in here we have their Aura Cleansing Spray of the month. And this one is the Green Goddess. Ooh, this is so cool. So probably some Terra Buddha energy, some Gaia energy, Mother Earth. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this a little spray around me. Ooh, it feels refreshing, guys. It feels so good. So this is the Green Goddess Ritual Aura Spray, guys. We're thrilled to be able to introduce our Green Goddess Ritual Aura Spray within this collection. This very special blend was created to enhance the natural glow that surrounds you and your sacred space. The Green Goddess refers to the Divine Earth Mother energies that flow through all natural living things. The Green Goddess embodies a raw strength and authenticity that flows through all natural living things. The Green Goddess embodies a raw strength and authenticity needed for all magical practices. We have created this ritual aura spray with the oils of cedarwood, green tea, sandalwood, chamomile, cypress, clove, and a special mixture of our Earth Mother magical oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. So cool, guys! And oh my god, my room is so smoky right now from the incense. I do have my window open, but it's really burning. So I'm so happy about that, guys. I also do want to read to you about the Moroccan clay. Moroccan clay has been used since the 8th century to cleanse skin and bring radiance to the aura. Although this can commonly be used within cosmetic elixirs, the benefits also translate to the spiritual plane, including a pinch of Moroccan clay into your mojo bags or poppets to bring cleansing and radiant energies into your workings. So cool, guys. Like, I think I've heard about that now when they said about the beauty stuff. And this Strangulus muraburicus, I can't even pronounce, is derived from the Greek word knuckle bones, also known for its use in game pieces. It has been since endured for its wonderful ability to bring vitality and energy into any area, as well as its truly uplifting and protective abilities. That is so cool. I'm just so intrigued with these new herbs. I can't wait to use them. Ooh, guys, there's such cool stuff in here. So I think we have a huge log up in here, guys. A big piece of wood. I wonder what kind of wood this is. Oh, this is so pretty. I see a face on here, so I think it's like a neat tree spirit, or it could be Mother Earth. That is so cool, guys. And I have the green man up above my altar on the wall. Don't know if you guys can see him. That was from one of the previous Witch's Moon box too. It might have been from the last one. It says, this is a hand-carved earth spirit companion. There has always been a strong belief in the centuries and spirits of the forest. Deep within the woods, long before the age of enlightenment and science, the commonality of these spirits was in every household and on the lips of every member of a community. Within this belief and understanding of these spirits came respect and a coming together for the greater good. This sprouted a wonderful exchange of energies and offerings. Although it seems long ago that the folklore legends of earth spirits were prominent, there are still many of us that work with these spirits and maintain a balance between interpretation and offering. Each tree and water spirits have been found within countless testimonies and experiences spanning across all the cultures. These can be represented as a goddess offering fertility in exchange for worship, or local fairies, nymphs, or spirits. It is important to note that most of these spirits are guardians and protectors of the natural land. Slavic god Purulishli is said to be a protector and shapeshifter, banishing those that wander into the forest for personal gain. Naturally, the Green Man is also associated within this category. In the forests of Scandinavia, Holdora, the seductress, the wild woman, can be found hidden by the lakes and streams, keeping a wary eye on intruders that may have ill intent. As we work with natural spirits, we become familiar with their unique characteristics and personalities. These spirits can be approached the same as introducing your energies to new plants and herbs. We open ourselves to understanding and recognizing their unique capabilities and provide an exchange of good intention. The hand-carved Earth Spirit Companion that has been created exclusively for subscribers of the Witch's Moon comes from the ethically sourced fallen and broken branches of the Gloritia tree, sorry I'm butchering it, and have been naturally collected over the course of many moons. The bottom of this hand-carved spirit has been cut to stand upon an altar or to be placed upon a magical shelf near potted plants or within your magical garden. You will notice a small circle placed above the eyes representing the second sight associated with all living things, able to view the perceive the world in new ways. Each carving is truly unique and will not match another. This is so beautiful, and I have more information about this at the end of the video if you guys want to read it, but I genuinely love this and think it's so cool because they do kind of have a mark where the third eye is, and it's just so cool, guys. I love nature and I live in nature, and this is just really cool to have in your garden, I believe. It's cool on your altar too, but I definitely want this where all my plants are, guys. I have fake plants on my altar because there's no sun in this area, but throughout my room, on my nightstands, on my windowsill over there, I got some living plants. So I think that's so cool. It also looks like, well, sorry Maleficent, my little cat. It looks like we have a couple more things in here, guys. We have a beeswax spell candle and this Breath of the Forest ritual incense. So I'm curious, what does this smell like? This smells so good, guys. They've made similar incense before, but this one's got a little different touch, but it smells so good. I'm in love with that. And it also looks like there's this beeswax spell candle. This is a hand-whirled Earth Wisdom spell candle. We have hand-whirled this Earth Wisdom spell candle with the intention of enhancing your connection with natural energies. Allow the flame from this candle to dance before you as you call upon earth spirits or work to familiarize yourself with new herbal blends and tinctures. This candle can also be lit as an honoring or offering to the spirits of nature as a token of your gratitude. To call upon the guardian sigil can also be represented and placed beneath this candle to bolster your intentional energies. Oh, so this piece over here, guys, with the sigil, we can work with this too. And it says that they have also hand-whirled this spell candle in dandelion leaf to enhance your psychic sight while performing your magical workings. We have also included the oils of ylang ylang, cedarwood, sandalwood into the rolling of this spell candle. We recommend noting your experience within your book of shadows during these times, referring back to them in the future. So cool, guys. I'm just like, thank you, Witch's Moon. This box is truly amazing and I'm in love with all the awesome things. Be sure to check them out, guys, and let them know that I sent you. I'm linking the Witch's Moon down below. They have an amazing moon market and subscription boxes. Also, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications linked down below so you'll always be notified for all of my future content, guys. And can you see my necklace? I want you guys to see the necklace. It's so pretty. And like always, I said the thumbs up things, so by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx and her daughter Goddess Hecate, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in the divine goddess's loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.